Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for another giveaway? First and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and I really appreciate each and every single one of you guys that has been engaging with me here on my channel. I love getting to know you guys in my comment section, knowing what you guys like to see here on my channel, and I feel like I already know you guys. I honestly do memorize a few of you guys by name, so I think that's so cool because I really don't get out of my house very much, so just having you guys be here, I just don't feel so lonely. Alright, so I don't want to make this intro too long. Let's go ahead and get started with this giveaway.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I do have a full face of makeup on right now. I did it for the sake of this video. You'll see why in a minute. I didn't film a full tutorial of this look, but I do have a mini tutorial that should be on my Instagram by now. If not, it will be. So if you're not already following me on my Instagram, all of my social media links are down below in the description box. The first item that I'm gonna be giving away is this Practic makeup brush cleaning tool. And Practic is a sister brand to Sigma Beauty. So you can wear it on your palm or you can place it on your sink. And this is a universal fit. You can adjust. Let me just show you. So this one here is mine. I kept the pink one. As you can see, it has the little suctions that you can stick onto your sink and you can place it like this here. For bigger brushes, you can use this side here. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Mine's really dirty. And then for like the eye brushes, you can use this section here. The way that I do like to wear it is on my palm. These here are the adjustable settings. So what you do is, I have really small hands, so I'm at the smallest setting. You just place your hand in there, and then you can use this bottom part, or you can switch it over to the other side. I ran out of the Sigma brush cleaner, so I've been using Dawn, the dish soap, and I've just been, you know, cleaning my brushes with this. So this giveaway is gonna have to do with skincare because, girl, I'm gonna take off my makeup in just a bit, but I'm gonna show you how much I'm breaking out. So skincare is definitely key to having a flawless makeup application, so it's good to take care of your skin and pamper it. I suggest that you do wash your brushes at least once a week if you are a daily makeup user. And also, if you have your brushes set out like this, a bunch of dust just gets onto your brushes, which can cause you to break out. So again, wash your brushes at least once a week and you'll need this, and you'll be getting this. And next, I have a bunch of face masks, so I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this in for you guys, for you to pamper yourself while you're in the bathtub having girl time. This is the Art Cell, the Art of Luxury Skincare. This is a pro mask and it vitalizes, brightens, and tones up your skin. If you guys have BOXYCHARM, then you guys already know these. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I'm gonna just read the back. It says, individually packaged gold foiled eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. With my BOXYCHARM, I did receive 3 of them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and include this in case you haven't already tried BOXYCHARM, or just in case you already ran out. You can use eye mask while you're applying your eyeshadow, that way in case you have fallout, you can just peel off the eye mask and voila. Alright guys, and the next product is my absolutely favorite makeup remover. I received it in my BOXYCHARM, and if you received it in your BOXYCHARM too, you're probably almost out, so girl, I'm gonna hook you up with it. And if you haven't tried it already, I had mentioned to you guys that I was gonna be giving you guys this Green Clean. This is by Pharmacy, and it's a makeup melt-away cleansing balm. So it looks like this here. I can't describe the smell. It almost smells like green apple. No, it's not green apple. I don't know what it smells like, but just know that it smells so good. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove my makeup with it. So let's go ahead and remove the lashes. I'm gonna take off the scarf. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the eyes because that's where I have the most makeup. I'm gonna just take a rag and then wipe it off. You guys seen how much product of that I used? Literally, it just wipes off everything. But just to make sure that I got everything off, I'm going to be using this Rose Tonic Nourishing Toner by Pixi. And in the back of this, it says, naturally soothing and enriched nutrients. This tonic helps tone, balance pH, it minimizes redness, and it calms the skin. It rehydrates and replenishes and refreshes. Suitable for the most sensitive skin types, and it's alcohol-free. You can use this in the morning and at night. Since I'm already removing all of my makeup, I'm going to just go ahead. Oh, fuck. This seriously smells like roses. It smells so nice. So this area does get really red, so I just want to apply some here. And as you guys can see, there was still some makeup on my face, so it's good to go over it with some of this toner. Not only am I going to include this Rose Tonic Nourishing Toner, I'm also going to include the Glow Tonic, and this is the exfoliating toner, and it says on the back, it gently exfoliates and it brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types, and it's alcohol free. Okay guys, so you guys are going to be receiving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I really hope that you guys do enjoy this video. I am all about skincare because, girlfriend, I seriously break out once a month, or sometimes like it's every other month. I don't break out that often. I don't have terrible acne, but I do break out really bad. You guys can see one here, 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 like all over my chin area. It's that time of the month. Oh shit, and there's one right here on my freaking eyebrow too. If you are a makeup lover, or even in general taking care of your skin with the right products, these products really work for me. I'm not doing giveaways just to gain a following. If I do in the process, then that's great, but I just really want to give back to you guys because I'm receiving these products because of you guys that sit down and take time out of your day to watch my videos, so I just really appreciate you guys. Entering this giveaway is pretty simple. All you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done so already, and then down below in the comments, I want you to leave me a comment telling me something that you guys love about yourself. Pretty simple, right? This giveaway is gonna be open from today, December the 1st, all the way up until December the 5th, which is a Wednesday. You do have until midnight to enter the giveaway. I do need a full day to go over the entries. I will mention the winner on December the 7th, which is a Friday, so don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you're notified when I do upload that video and announce the winner. This giveaway is gonna be for US only. Good luck to you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my latest videos that are going to be right over here, and also if you hit this little circle right here, it's going to subscribe you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. Bye guys.